Hi, my name is Shubham Salge and today I am going to present you the venue selection case study presentation. Hello Candy and Lou. Congratulations in advance on your big day. I feel so fortunate to be a part of something so precious that I assure you full commitment from my side. Here is the venue proposal curated for you as per your demands. Client requirements. I would like to start off and state your requirements to make sure we are on the same page. So you requested a beautiful historical venue full of character and beauty, which resonated elegance and a vintage feel. A venue for the church ceremony for a total of 120 guests, followed by the cocktail and reception, which will require a venue that could accommodate 160 guests, along with accommodation for you and your guests. After an extensive search with me and my team, we decided to go ahead with the Old Mill Toronto as the venue for your special day. It is located at 21 Mill Road, Toronto, and can be easily located by your guests. Along with its great historical importance and the huge area that it covers, the property also offers a boutique, spa, wedding garden, a restaurant, and their in-house chapel which guests can book. All these amenities give your guests an additional reason to love the property and have other things to do. So, we decided to hold the church ceremony and the reception at the venue itself, so it's easier for you and your guests to have everything in one place without having to travel to and fro from one venue to another. We will look at the spaces in detail further. The venue provides a chapel that brings history and grace together with glass windows, brick interior, and authentic candlelight, creating the perfect ambience. It accommodates all 120 of your guests, and you can also hire a minister for an additional $450 if you wish to. The Bowl is a huge ballroom located at the first floor of the venue, which provides to be a great venue for all such events, big and small, accommodating up to 220 guests. For your wedding, however, we would be using one part of the ballroom instead of the whole. Decor. Regarding the decor for the wedding, the venue will charge an additional fee if you wish to hire their on-site vendor which will do the work for you as per your requirements. However, if you wish to bring in your own decorator, you could definitely do so. Items included in the event space. The following items are available at the event space, so you don't have to pay any additional cost and can also manage your other requirements keeping in mind these things. All kinds of tableware for the dinner service, dance floor for the party, and linen as well as the furniture will be provided to you. Menu packages. The following menu packages are available at the site by their caterers: silver, gold, diamond, pearl, and a sapphire buffet service. However, looking at your requirements, we went ahead with their gold package, which will consist of a four-plated hors d'oeuvre, followed by soup, appetizer, a salad, main course, and a dessert to add your day on a much sweeter note. As requested by you, we have a luxury suite available for the wedding couple, which is spacious and has lots of amenities to give you the comfort that you might need. Moreover, the standard rooms for your guests can also be booked on the basis of 2 guests per room, which will come up to 20 rooms. Parking and AV. Paid parking is available at the venue site at the rate of $2 per hour for a maximum of 6 hours. The venue will, however, not be responsible for any damages to any property. As for the audiovisual services, they are not available, but the equipment for the same can be given on rent by the venue vendors if requested. Green Initiative. As of 2019, Old Mill Toronto made its debut as a committed ambassador to the environment and served nature's one of the important customers, the humble honeybee. They saw the opportunity to create and foster a wild bee facility to promote the pollination and preservation of the flora and fauna of the beautiful Humber River. They also avoid using plastic straws in their dining room, restaurants, and banquet kitchen. Instead, they promote the use of paper straw, which are easy to recycle and environment friendly. Preferred vendor list. The preferred vendor list is as follows: Vintage Bash for decor of the ballroom for reception, Pure AV for the audio and visual during the reception, and JD Photography for beautiful wedding and reception photos and videos. Estimated budget. The budget for the event space is divided as follows. The chapel's cost is $1,200. The ballroom B's rent is $1,800 plus $3,600 as a deposit. The luxury suite for the bride and the groom is for $250 and the rooms for 40 guests will cost you $3,000. The total estimate for the event space is $10,000 and $10,850 exclusive of any taxes. Thank you.